what do you think? So this is one piece that we have very clearly two completely different things, which is this and this. So what do you think is the most important? What people need to hear? Taka 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 or dum bum ba-dum dum. Okay, and it's very often too, one hears this very loud, and you are not doing that. It's clear what you are doing, which is very good. But now, Chopin wrote some very beautiful melodies, and it's just a repeated note. It has nothing interesting. The only thing interesting about this is the rhythm. That's the most important. Dum, bum, ba, bum, bum. And the rhythm is sometimes not very accurate, and which I'm sure you can do very well, because probably you are focusing all your attention on the right hand. So although you are doing well the balance in terms of volume, it's still, once you're playing it, you're putting your focus on the right hand, which you should do because it's difficult, but you can start modifying this. So let's start from the beginning, just, I mean, even if this etude could start here, it will still be about this, but it starts with this, okay? So there's no end up. So let's start from the beginning, and having that rhythm very clear, da, 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 and you are taking, it's very beautiful what you're doing, and the second phrase you're playing super pianissimo. It's very beautiful, but you should still have a rhythm in mind. So it is much slower than that, but it needs to still be measured. It still needs to be clear. So have your tempo in mind and start with a rhythm very clear. And when you start your right to the right hand, make sure you continue pam pam pa pam. Yeah. Okay. So can you? I will do for 16ths. So can you see? So you are doing double the tempo. Yeah. That is because that repeats the whole piece. So that is just important to. Right? You're playing like double fast. And keep the same tempo now. Very beautiful. Okay. Very beautiful. So when in general you do a lot of very nice things, make sure that you can change the color, change the sound, but you need to keep the same tempo. Yeah? Okay. Let's go from here. And now when you're here, you are playing this slower, and then here you continue going. So you need to play all of this tempo, and only when you're right here, it's like you get the tension till you fall there. Yeah? Okay, once more from the beginning, and you can continue. Hold this for here. And here these tensions because okay, so only here. So here continue, you're stopping completely here. Here doing It's very good. Okay, this is very difficult. These are pieces that you learn if after a few years of studying piano, and you continue learning, and 10 years later you continue learning, and you always think you need to continue working. It's very good. Okay, the trick here, which here more or less works anyways, but when you arrive here, it doesn't work. It's when you cannot do rotation here. You need to make sure you're doing each note down. If we are doing this, we are wasting all the movement to play the piano down. So each note needs to be down. And that's how we can relax and have some. If we are doing rotation, we are wasting all our energy to the sides instead of playing this. Okay? That's right. So if we do, we need to have out more of our arm, and then just push it on every front. So a very good way of practicing this is in blocks. So
Oh yeah, remember that?
and then you just play each note. But can you try to do this?
I told him to intervals. I told him to practice intervals. That's what I told him to do.
Good. But you need to play everything down and to you, not up. Good. Can you try? It's very good. You do a lot of very musical things, but sometimes it's not very accurate to what it says here. So now you're playing all loud, but so we need to start for them. Now we start forte, but it's diminuendo. So we start forte and we go down. And here we need to play less, and we have these undulations. So lesser forte, diminuendo, whistle less, and you need to do crescendo diminuendo. Is Manchester. Yeah, the same idea is starting loud, diminuendo, crescendo, diminuendo, maintains every time. Good. This is difficult for both hands. When you play like this, the only way of doing it is easy to be inside. So if you play like this, it's not possible. Yeah.
1 minute left.
Okay. For all the
Sorry.
passages with the black keys. And
1 minute.
okay. Okay, here obviously you have the other way around. Can you work This is one of the passages. You can play less, but still maintain. You don't need to play slower to play softer. Yeah. There was a teacher that said P stands for P piano notes for paralyzed.
We all tend to slow
Sometimes
down when we play
it's very-
softer.
When we want to play
That's a
softer, we
habit we
also
all
play
have.
slower, and there should be completely different parameters. So go from here, loud, and here you can change the color but maintain the same tempo.
Exactly. Okay.
I guess we need to stop.
I could sit here all day, believe me, but you know.
Okay, sorry. The last scale, it shouldn't be a scale. So again, this is not an exercise. So it needs to be. So all Chopin etudes don't have real titles, but the editor would invent fake titles that sound very poetic in order to sell copies. So even they are not real, very often it's good to have the image in mind. This one will be called the winter wind. So even this is a scale, but it shouldn't be a scale. It should be like really getting the soul out of the can. So we need to go crescendo till the end. Yeah. Yeah, so go till the end. The last note is the most important, yeah? So, you need to finish the loudest. In the scale, after the scale, you need to finish the biggest, the